All right, hello everyone. Thank you for coming to my channel. So, today I'm just going to go over a quick trade recap. I had already no, not already. I can't use my camera right now because I'm being lazy, but I really just wanted to post my recap as well. So, today we had news. Let's get straight into it. Today is Thursday. We had news 9 a.m. So, which means I'm not taking a trade until after 9 a.m. So, put the replay button on. Today's 27th. We replayed it back, so let's just see what we're looking for here. I got my VWAP on. I see that there's immense pressure to the downside. It's also filling the gap right here. I used to do a gap fill strategy, but I find that unreliable. So, as you can see right here is 9 a.m. So this is when I start to look for entries or confirmation, the beginning of a confirmation pattern. Keep going. See that price goes above VWAP, in between, consolidating, but there's a lot of pressure. There's a lot of bullish pressure because, as you can see, price refuses to go up. 596. We got a lot of buyers at this level as well. Price is trying to pick and choose to see which side it's going to be on, whether it wants to consolidate or not. So I see a confirmation candle over here about that supply zone, because this is where price dropped immensely. And right now I'm just going to be looking for pattern for an entry. And found an entry right here, just below the VWAP. Let's say I take an entry over here. I put my stop loss right here, only because this is a second long candle. I would usually put a stop loss right here, but since price rejected and went all the way down here, I could have put a stop loss at this last red candle, but I just put a stop loss at the second red candle. So, and I'm going in for a 1-to-1. So I gotta make sure that's a 1-to-1. Put that as a sell. I believe the market moved $1.17 in my favor. I usually post this till 2 o'clock. So wait for price to hit. Price is a bit shy on that VWAP, but it didn't close below it. I didn't close above it. No serious pressure to the downside. So this is where I took my profit right here. So the funny thing about this is that I took profit over there, and there is a lot of bullish pressure. I could have kept it going. But I'm actually not gonna. Okay. So I but let's say because there was a lot of pressure to the downside, you could have put a stop loss right here, because this is where price reversed to go back to that supply zone. And even when you did that, price came up, would have gotten just a little bit above that line. But let me show you what price did. Price melted. It melted, y'all. It melted all the way to the downside. And that would have been like a $7 move. But it just goes to show that even if I held, price would have come above my stop loss. And even though there are two candles here, this one and this one, that closed above VWAP, I would have gotten out either way. But no, I got my stop loss over here, and I was fine with that dollar move. So this just goes to show how much FOMO you can have in a trade. I could have, kept the trade running in. There may not have been a reason for me to keep that trade in, because, for example, let's say I kept that EMA the EMA still would have, I would have continued the trade downward, but I would have stopped here on that EMA once it hit that. And, and also the good thing about having a strategy and sticking to your strategy is that you wouldn't be anxious. Because if I had gotten in again, I would have freaked out about a dollar move up to the upside, as opposed to, I didn't know whether price was going to go all the way down. But because I had a strategy, I stuck to it. I watched price melt all the way down, and I just stuck to my strategy. You always have to remember that you are just in the market to find your edge. Use your edge. You're getting in when you can. You're a retail trader. You're not a big trader. So, yeah, that is my trade today. Ended green. So far, we are 4 greens out of 5 days of the week. So, yeah, we're doing pretty good. Knock on wood. Thanks for watching this video from my iPad. Tomorrow, I will film my face. You'll see my face tomorrow, hopefully, after a trade. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. If you want to see more trades or interact with me, I do have a Discord. It'll be in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And thank you to, I forget, Aruba, who joined the Discord. Thank you so much for being like the first member. So I will post again tomorrow. Thanks for following me on my options trading journey, and have a good one.